Damaged hair is one of the most common beauty problems today, and whether you are dealing with dryness, breakage, frizz, split ends, or hair that has completely lost its shine, the truth is that healthy and silky hair does not come from expensive products alone, but from understanding what your hair truly needs and treating it the right way every single day. Because most hair damage starts slowly and silently through daily habits like excessive heat styling, frequent coloring, chemical treatments, harsh shampoos, over tight hairstyles, and even simple mistakes like brushing wet hair aggressively or rubbing hair roughly with a towel, all of which weaken the hair cuticle and strip away natural moisture, making the hair fragile, dull, and prone to breakage. So the first and most important step in repairing damaged hair is switching to a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo that cleanses the scalp without removing essential oils, and washing your hair no more than 2 to 3 times a week to allow natural oils to protect and nourish your strands, followed by a rich, moisturizing conditioner applied mainly to the mid-lengths and ends to restore softness and elasticity, because conditioner is not optional for damaged hair. It is a necessity, and once your wash routine is corrected, the next step is deep conditioning, which should be done at least once a week using a nourishing hair mask containing ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, coconut oil, or proteins that help rebuild the hair structure from the inside out. And for even better results, letting the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes with gentle heat allows deeper penetration and long-lasting smoothness, while reducing heat styling as much as possible is critical, because excessive heat is one of the biggest enemies of silky hair. And if heat tools are unavoidable, always use a heat protectant and keep the temperature low to prevent further damage. And when it comes to drying your hair, avoid rubbing it with a towel and instead gently pat it dry, or use a towel or cotton t-shirt to reduce friction and frizz, while leaving your hair slightly damp before applying a lightweight leave-in conditioner or hair serum. Helps lock in moisture and create a smooth, silky finish. And trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks is another essential step many people ignore, because no product can truly repair split ends once they appear, and regular trims prevent splits from traveling upward and causing more breakage. While nourishing your hair from the inside is just as important as external care, meaning a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals plays a major role in hair strength, thickness, and shine. And drinking enough water daily helps maintain moisture balance in both scalp and hair, while oiling the hair 1 to 2 times a week using natural oils like coconut, castor, almond, or argan oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, strengthens roots, and enhances shine when done gently and consistently. And protecting your hair while sleeping is another powerful yet underrated habit, because cotton pillowcases absorb moisture and create friction, whereas silk or satin pillowcases help maintain smoothness and reduce breakage overnight. And avoiding tight ponytails or buns prevents unnecessary stress on the roots, allowing hair to grow stronger and healthier over time. And the key to truly silky hair is patience and consistency, because damaged hair cannot transform overnight. But when you follow the right routine, avoid harmful habits, and give your hair the care it deserves, you will slowly notice less breakage, improved texture, increased shine, and hair that feels softer, smoother, and more manageable every single day, proving that real hair transformation is not about trends or shortcuts, but about long-term care, balance, and understanding your hair's natural needs.